In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a backup in QuickBooks, whether you're doing this for safeguarding your data or transferring information to a new system. Restoring a backup is a crucial skill in maintaining your financial records. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can back up and running in no time. First things first, start by launching QuickBooks on your computer. If you haven't opened it already, take a moment to do so now. Once QuickBooks is up, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure to input the correct login credentials for your Intuit account to access the platform. In case you've forgotten your password, you can reset it by following the prompts available on the Sign In page. Once logged in, you may be asked to verify your identity. This is an extra layer of security to protect your data. You can choose how you'd like to verify, whether through email, phone, or another available option. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete this step. Now, let's navigate to the settings. In QuickBooks, this is usually represented by a gear icon, typically found on the upper right side of the dashboard. Clicking on it brings up a menu where you'll find the option labeled Import Data. Select this option, as it leads you directly to the section where you can manage data imports. With the Import Data window open, it's time to choose which backup you want to restore. Before you proceed, make sure you have the backup file stored safely on your computer. It should be an easy find to ensure a smooth restoration. Once you've located the backup file on your device, choose it from the list. This step is pivotal as it determines which dataset you are going to restore. Next, select the option to browse for the file on your computer. Doing so will bring up a window from which you can navigate to the file's location on your hard drive. After locating the backup file, select it. An important reminder here is to double-check the file chosen to ensure it's the correct one you want to restore. Finally, click Continue and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the restoration process. The steps may involve reviewing and confirming the data to be restored. Simply proceed through each prompt until the process is complete. And there you have it, your QuickBooks backup restored successfully, bringing back your vital financial records right where you need them. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to tackle QuickBooks backups with confidence. If this guide was helpful, feel free to explore more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.